In order to create new user accounts, we do a right click at computer, we select manage. At the user account control dialog box, we click continue. When the computer management screen opens up, you click local users and groups, and then if you click at groups, it shows you the different groups that are in your system right now. And the groups that you see here are the regular local groups. And if you want to create a new group, you can do a right click at groups, new group. We need to give it a name, so I'm going to call this EDIT 622. And I'm going to click create. I could add a description, so I'm going to put registered students. Click create, and now we already have a group in here called EDIT 622. To add users to the group, we could do it in two different ways. If I double click EDIT 622, it opens up the group. I could add users by clicking the add button. Then if I know the names of the users, I can type them in. Or if I click advanced and then I click find now, I see a list of all the different users in here. Now you get to pick from the list. So if you scroll down, you see the names of all the different users that may be found in this particular computer. Now notice that the list in here is a lot longer. Let me just scroll this up. The list in here seems to be longer than the list that I see right here. Now that's because in here I get to see another type of groups. I get to see also the group called, or the list of groups called built-in system groups. Notice that in here I have a group called network, another one called owner, another one called interactive, and if I keep on going up, there's dial-up, creator owner, authenticated users, etc. Those are all groups that belong to the built-in system groups. This list of groups right here, if I wanted to add someone in here named Pedro to this group, I select it, I click OK, and now I see that the name of the computer and the name of the user is in here. You then click OK, and it shows the name of the user in here. So this is one way of doing it. I'm going to click OK. Another way to add users to a group is to go through the users selection on the local users and groups. So if I click users and I find a user name user, and I double click on that user and I go to member of, I could then make that a member of the EDIT 622 group by clicking add, and then I'm going to look again, click advanced, find now, and then I find the EDIT 622 group, click OK, and then click OK again. So right now this user name user is now a member of the group called EDIT 622. When I click OK, now I'm going to go back to groups. I'm going to look at the EDIT 622 group, and I see that there's 2 users included in that group.